Good morning, welcome to the IG Market Headlines from IG. I'm Brenda Kelly. It's the 31st of May 2013. We're seeing a slightly softer FTSE 100 today, mainly on the back of the Nikkei futures, which did actually close at up to 1.2% today, but have been weaker in after hours trading. The FTSE is currently down by 56 points at 6,571. Ironically, it's the mining sector that is keeping the FTSE on the front foot, mainly on the back of firmer precious metal prices. We saw gold rise to a two-week high yesterday. Fresnillo and Lonmin are the two high risers in the FTSE, which to a degree is keeping it above that 6,550 level support. If that fails, we could ultimately see an even deeper correction from here. Some of the data coming out of the Eurozone has been pretty poor, to say the least. We've seen Eurozone unemployment rise to a record high of 12.2%. We've also seen retail sales in Germany failing to meet expectations, coming in at a decline of 0.4% last month. As a result, we've seen the euro dollar go below the 130 level, a very brief appearance above that particular level yesterday. So now that we're below that, it does open up the way for further declines for the single currency, especially since there does seem to be increasing rhetoric in regards to negative interest rates from the ECB. The Dow futures is also on the back foot as well, though it does seem to be finding support around the 15,230 level. If we see a failure of this particular level, we could see a return to the rising trend line support around the 15,150 level. Our clients are currently 54% short on the FTSE, so this should be interesting to see whether we'll see more of an increased shift in sentiment from our client base, which could ultimately see the FTSE fall by an additional maybe 4 to 5%. Later on this afternoon in the US, we will have a look at consumer spending and of course personal income data, both expected to come in around the 0.2% mark. And Chicago PMI is also supposed to come in around the 50 mark, which brings it back into the expansionary territory